In this video, I will show you how to fulfill Zendrop orders both automatically and manually. So whatever you want to do, here's how you can do it. So first go to Zendrop and then go to your orders right here. Now from here you can track and fulfill orders. Now you will see all your orders, unpaid, link or source and issues. Now first of all, if you want to do automatic order fulfillment, just turn on auto fulfillment in the top right. And how that works is when auto fulfillment is toggled on, they will charge the payment method you have on file, and their suppliers will begin to process your orders automatically. Now you can also do daily fulfillment, so then all your orders for the day will be batched into one order, and that still happens automatically, but that is helpful if you have a lot of orders and want to minimize the amount of transactions, but still automate fulfillment. So whatever you want to do, auto fulfillment is the fastest, but it won't make a huge difference. Now you can also turn on branding from here if you'd like to, so you can add thank you cards, which is something very helpful, which is something that I do recommend and that I like a lot about Zendrop. Now, if you don't want to do automatic fulfillment and you just want to do it manually, then here you can see all your orders. Just click on the order that you want to manually fulfill, and then there's a fulfill button. Then you can just add your payment details for the order, and then Zendrop will order it at the supplier and then ship it out to them. So then it won't happen automatically. Zendrop does still do part of the process, but then you still need to do it yourself. Although there's also an option to just go to the supplier yourself and then put in the order details, so the address and stuff like that, and then pay for it, and then it will also be shipped out to the customer. Now I just like doing the auto fulfillment on. So now you know how to fulfill orders on Zendrop. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.